Assalamualaikum students of level 4. I hope you all are safe and healthy at home. This is Miss Samira Zaidi, your computer studies teacher from Falcon House Grammar School Campus 9, and today we will continue chapter 7 MS PowerPoint 2010. We already discussed you the chapter 7 MS PowerPoint page number 81, in which I explain you about the introduction of PowerPoint and how to create a simple slide in a PowerPoint, and also discuss you different presentation views, and as you have done in your assignments also. Today I am going to explain you about the components of PowerPoint, that is on page number 82. Now take out your books and open the page number 82. There are different components of Microsoft PowerPoint, which includes the title bar. It is the topmost bar that displays the name of the program and the name of the presentation. Quick access toolbar. It is on the left side of the title bar. There is a small bar that contains the buttons like save, undo, and redo. File tab. When you click on this tab, a backstage view will appear which displays the commands such as new and open. Ribbon. Ribbon displays the group of related commands in the tabs. Each tab offers shortcut button to common tasks. Slide pane. It displays the large view of the current slide where the text, graphics or animation are directly entered. Outline and slide tabs. The outline tab displays the title and text content of the slide, and slide tab of the pane allows the user to move easily from one position to another position. Splitter bar. We can adjust the width of the slide pane with the help of splitter bar. Notes pane. Notes pane display the notes of the current slide. This is the text that consists of notes to our slide or remarks to share with our audience. Status bar. Status bar is a long horizontal bar that is located at the bottom of the window and used to provide information about the active slide and applied theme. Text placeholder. It is a place where title, body text, or content can be inserted. View buttons. They are used to switch the window to the normal, slide sorter, or the slideshow views. These are the components of Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, now I'm going to explain you about the design theme and how to be created. Design theme can be given using the design tab to give us an attractive look of our presentation. Okay, to apply the design theme, we can click on the design tab, then choose the theme from the ribbon. After applying the theme to the slide, we can start adding text. Okay, and text should be add in the placeholder. We click on the text placeholder and type the text whatever we want. Okay, then we can click on the subtitle text placeholder and type our subtitle over there. Okay, now we can add some more slide in the presentation by clicking on the home tab, then click on new slide. Okay, another slide appears in our presentation. We can add the text over there in placeholder. Now I'm going to tell you that how can we select a text in the slide, because the selected text appears highlighted on the screen. To select a word, we just double click on the word we want to be selected. Okay, and to deselect the text, click outside the selected area. This text is to be deselected. Okay, and to select a sentence, we just triple click on the sentence we want to select. To select a point or a dot or a bullet, okay, we just click on the bullet beside the point we want to select. To select any amount of text, means paragraph or 2 or 3 sentences or words, then We position the mouse pointer over the first word we want to select and then drag the mouse over the text we want to select. If we want to delete the text that we are not required in the presentation, that we can be deleted or erased by selecting the text that we want to be deleted and then press the delete button from the keyboard. The text will disappear from. I hope you can understand the today's topic as I explain you in today's class. Okay, now I'm giving you an exercise that you have to do in your exercise book. Your question number 1 is create a web that shows the components of PowerPoint. There are 12 components of PowerPoint I explained in the video. Okay, you must write down the name only in the form of web. Your question number 2 is the exercise 6, page number 100. That is, explain the use of the following components of PowerPoints, like status bar, A, B, quick access toolbar, C, notepad, D, ribbon, and E is view buttons. You must explain them in your exercise book. Okay, I hope you can understand the today's topic and the assignment. Okay, if you still have any question, then ask me in the Zoom session that will be started after a few minutes. Take care of yourself, stay at home, stay healthy. Allah Hafiz.